Security forces continue combing operations to ascertain no more terrorists are holed up in the airbase. Sources are telling Times Now terrorists came prepared for a combat for 8 to 10 days. The terrorists were heavily armed and their target was the fuel station within the airbase and then the MiG-21 and MiG-35. Aditya Rajkol joins me live with all these details right from ground zero in the Pathankot airbase. Aditya, we understand the terrorists had come heavily armed. It was a well-planned strategy and they were virtually armed to carry on such an operation for nearly 8 to 10 days. What are the details that you're getting?
Well, that's right, Navika. They had come well prepared. We do not know exactly the number of the terrorists still, but yes, we have been told, officially confirmed, that 5 terrorists have been eliminated already. The combing operations are on as of now. In fact, there were gunshots heard late evening as well, till 45 minutes back. Now, while confirming this from the top sources of the security establishment, they have told Times Now that there has been no fresh engagement with terrorists. This is only a part of the combing operations to clear the entire area. Let's remember that the entire area of the airbase at Pathankot is around 2,000 acres long. It is around 36 long kilometers. It's almost like a mini city that the entire Air Force, NSG and the Army's special forces have to clear. Also talking about the main attack areas, of course the main intention of the Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists was to send 2 teams in 2 different directions really inside the airbase to target high value assets that the Indian Air Force has inside the Air Force base. This included MiG-21s and also Mi-17 choppers that are now being used to neutralize these terrorists. Also, what was on the agenda of these terrorists was to attack the fuel station and the fuel depot inside the Air Force base, which would have resulted not just in massive damage but also casualty figures would have risen dramatically. But as of now, the brave forces, in fact 7 of the brave men from the armed forces have laid down their lives for the country, the nation paying their last respects to these jawans. But as of now, the combing operations are very much on. In fact, at the highest level in the government of India, the National Security Advisor from his situation room inside the Prime Minister's office observing these developments minute to minute. Also, the highest level
But Aditya, the real question is that the security forces have been able to thwart any attempt at harming any of our assets in the airbase, including the MiGs that were there.
Absolutely, Navika. Very rightly put. In fact, that has been the major concern. Initially, there was almost a panic because this is a very, very sensitive location. But how, interestingly, the entire coordination was seen between the NSG, the Air Force, and the commandos of the Army who thwarted any attempt of the Jaish-e-Mohammed or other terror groups who were really inspired and got all kinds of help from the ISI. In fact, right now, the entire attack has been thwarted. Let's remember that this entire area is very sensitive. There are high value assets of the Indian Air Force inside this very airbase, and that is why the Indian agencies are rest assured that the security of this area is under control at this moment, even as it will take next 48 hours to really end the combing operations. And that's what the senior bureaucrats and the ministers in the MOD have been conveying to the Air Force AOC here, that there should be no rush in the combing operations. All precautions should be taken. There should be no loss of life. Each and every area inside the Air Force base should be thoroughly checked before there is a closure to this massive operation which has continued for more than 60 hours now.